Suru Basaji, and our director for examination, Parekji, and our secretary, Kausi Banerjee. We are all here. We are all doing whatever best we can do for you. And due to, that pandemic and the heavy rains in some of the places, we were held up due to technical issues. We were not able to issue the admit card. But now we are able to overcome whatever the issues, and we are able to conduct the examination on as scheduled on December 8th to 15th on 93 cities and around 200 centers in India. And only in 11 cities we are able to conduct the examination partially. And 200 centers we are able to conduct the examination. 200 city centers and 93 cities fully we are conducting. And 11 centers partially we are able to conduct. And 4 cities we have to postpone it because of the cyclone and other reasons which is out of our control. And we are advised the candidate through SMS that from 3rd January the examinations will be held. So whoever has not received the admit card or SMS, need not worry. We are making all the arrangements to issue whatever required, and you will be eligible to get all whatever rules applicable, and we will be providing you all the opportunities under them. And in fact, some of the centers, where the 200 places where we have arranged, your place and the centers may be far away, where they are making the arrangement transport buses also through the chapter, wherein you will be providing all the required facilities, including the water and whatever support will be required, logistic support will be provided at no cost to you. We are taking care of those items. You can contact the respective chapters where you want to, the bus timings and how the transport will be arranged. Those things you will be able to get it. All the instructions have been given very clearly. Please don't give advice to any of the misleading videos, misleading messages what is circulating in the social media. Officially, we are communicating that in 200 centers, we are conducting examination from December 8th as scheduled. And only 4 cities, it will not be held. It will be held from January 3rd. And 11 cities, partially examination. For them also, examination will be held from 3rd January. We are taking all the necessary steps and everything. Exam pattern already we have explained. And our Balwendra Singh ji stated how the step marks will be provided. Don't worry, definitely the step marks will be provided, and the question is set in such a way that there you will be automatically getting the step marks. It is not that something. The working sheet, why we are saying you have to upload is to have additional benefit for you. If you think that, the step marks is something wrong, formula may be something this, and the formula is correct, some calculations mistake is there, or 0.001, some issues are there in the calculator, those type of things. You are allowed to carry whatever the calculator lesson, not scientific calculator, you can be able to carry the examination for your convenience and follow all the social protocols, whatever required under the COVID circumstances. We will take all the steps to mitigate all the whatever difficulties you will be undergoing, what we are foreseeing. And all your difficulties you can send to me SMS to us. Many of the calls we are getting, and we are answering, responding to all your calls. In fact, we are going to create one cell also where you will be able to have our staff regularly addressing to you for your queries, for your doubts, and whatever you be requiring. You are advised to and suggested to concentrate on your studies. Don't give to misleading information and misleading videos, so that your speed up and your motivation is not mitigated. We want you to study well, prepare well, so that we will be able to write the examination well. We have set the questions in such a way that where you will be able to score more marks. It is not that the questions have been made it up or pattern has made. We have taken to international level. That you have to see. And you can also say that SEMA and ACCA is conducting the examination online only. We want to go global. And now some students are saying that they are unable to type. For example, we want to go for a job. Even in a small petty shop, now they are using the computer and the calculator. Now nothing is in pen and paper. So you should be now equipped to use the computer and all the technical experts. And of course, you all know that our institute is progressing very well, and we are updating with all the information and everything. Our new syllabus will be implemented from August 2022, so that our students will be getting maximum benefit, including latest things. We have introduced a lot of certificate courses for the benefit of you, which is at a very cheaper price. These things are adding your employable opportunity. So many corporations, so many things are saying that the present system is very good, so that you will be able to get the maximum benefit. In fact, yesterday, 2 days before, we have a campus placement in our headquarters in Calcutta also, where number of students have been recruited at a salary of around 22 lakhs also. So you feel that you are in a very good hands, and we are taking all possible steps to motivate you and get you free from all your worries. You concentrate on studies and prepare well, write well, come out successful. Wishing you all the best. Whatever your difficulty, you can contact us. Thank you very much. Wishing you good luck. I request our Vice President to say a few words.
Our respected students, we know your sentiments, we know your concern. There are some teething issues, we are taking care of it. Along with the whole department of the examination department, all the vendors. The exam is getting done through the TCS, which is very reputed vendors. There are some issues just because it is not easy to take such a big exam in time, online. But we are struggling for it. Please don't go with any humor, any negative message created on the social media, on the Facebook or say YouTube. We will take care of such people, those who are creating negative image for our mother institute. So please focus on the studies and come with the flying covers. Thank you. Good luck for your exam. Thank you very much.
You all, most of the students know that yesterday night also I was receiving calls up to 12:30, 1 o'clock also. Our department was working up to whole night. Morning 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, they came back again to the office at 9 o'clock. Our department is fully working, keeping for you so that you will have no tension and will be getting all the things whatever required. Many of the students, you can vouch at myself and our council colleagues are getting calls even in the midnight also. And I have answered calls up to 12:30 also yesterday night. You can verify it from your friends. Don't worry, we are with you. We will do all the possible things to help you, support you. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Good luck.